What do you get next week?
My gladiator legs and then my bracers. So my legs are gonna be a 25% upgrade, and my bracers are a 45% upgrade. It's gonna be fucking huge.
So you said it.
All right, warrior,
Kill.
lockdown warrior. Go hard on the lock.
You don't want to kill priest.
We need paints up first. Going lock.
Mana burning priest.
Sheeping ward. Yeah, actually, go priest. Go priest. Go priest. There's paints up. There's paints. Sheeping warrior. Sheeping warlock.
I need decurse if you can.
I got you. I got you. Peeling off of that. Sorry, I didn't see. Sheeping lock.
I got heal for you right here. Just good. Survive. I'm in fear here. I'm feared again. I can't get to you on shield or nothing.
He has cloak in 3 seconds, maybe to survive.
I need help too.
So I can do.
I'm dead.
Fuck.
Shit, they're twice as much as our rating though.
Oh, fuck it.